Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Honda CR-V EXL. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.